In this video, we'll quickly cover how to add gift cards to your menu or how to create a gift card manually and check the balance on it. So firstly, we'll come to our menu page and I'm going to just disable items and packages here so I'll only be able to see gift cards that I add. And I'm going to click Add New Gift Card. I'm going to give this a name, so I'll name this Test Gift Card. We'll give it a price, so let's say it's $100. Now, you do have the option to make the value of the gift card separate from the price, which is a very specific case. Usually you would want it to be equal in value. If you wanted to add an image, you can, and we'll just go ahead and add this to the category of gift cards. And I'll click OK. Now, when I come back to my menu, I'll see gift cards is now on the left-hand side as a category. And here's my test gift card. So when I add this into the cart, and I click next and I'm on my checkout page, I see I have the option to email recipient. So if I click this, I could just simply enter the email address of the person who I wanted to send this to, and they're going to get the email with the digital promotion code that they could use. With that code, they just simply come to the checkout page, and in this enter promotional box that you can see here, they would be able to redeem that gift card. To keep track of the balances, you can come to the marketing page and purchased gift cards. And from here, you can see any cards that were purchased, who it was purchased by, who it was sent to, what their promo code is, and the original amount and remaining balance on each. So this is also a great way of giving a customer store credit. So let's say I wanted to give store credit to a friend of mine or to a really great customer. I can come in here and say this is for $100. The custom code could be anything you want it to be. You can make it the customer's name, like John D. And then if you wanted to email it to him, you can just enter his email here. In this case, I'm just going to click add. And now you see I have a new gift card. He'll use the code John D at checkout, and it'll come out of this total $100 balance.